Today's video was requested by so many people, so I had to make this video happen. I'm going to be sharing some basics and recap in this video, but if you want to watch the main detailed version of this video, I will have it in the link in the description box below, as well as the top right corner, so you can click up there or in the link in the description box below and you can find that video easily. Anyways, let's start with today's camper tour. Let's go. So this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen of the camper. In the kitchen we have some cabinets and drawers for storage. We also have an oven and a stove. More cabinets. In the kitchen we also have some lights, and these are push lights as well. So you push them and they open up like that. To use the stove you have to lift this up. It's glass. Rest against the window. And you can also turn it. This is the oven. It's really cool, so you have to be really careful with the glass. So the window, you have to turn this to open that, lights and everything. And there's the microwave. And here's the fridge. This fridge I think is really cool because it has a freezer inside too, and it's powered by either gas or electric. We also have two separate bunks in the camper. Each bunk has its own push light and it has its own curtain, which you can cover yourself for privacy or if you don't want any disturbance. There's also a window on the top bunk, and for the bottom bunk there's a door you can also cover using that curtain. And also that door is simply for storage. If you want to put any storage underneath the bottom bunk, you just open up that door, and if you have any extra luggage you can place it on the bottom bunk, but you have to lift it up if it's any like bikes or anything. But there's only a limit. That's the sky dome. This is the wash basin where you can wash your hands. Also that. And this is the tub. This is what we use to winterize. It's basically sugar and water. It helps the camper go through winter. Cabinets. Exhaust fan. This is the mirror. And this is the whole bathroom. So now this is our slide up part. When you're traveling you need to close the slide out. Here is our little dining area. This can also turn into bed. So what you have to do is you have to take this pull out, put this down, and then put this on top of this so it's comfortable, and then that's the bed. This is the master bed, and we also have the TV. For the TV to be used by radio, this is what you have to do. Just push this upward and turn it to the right. This is the antenna for the TV. Then we have the radio speakers. We also have everything to control this, and then the remotes are up here. And this is another storage where you can put anything in here. We put our game. port. So you have to push it and lift it up. This is where you can charge by using an outlet. This is an outlet, and this is a USB port as well. To close it, you have to push this in and put it down. So about this is a window, and it's also a exit. So when there's like any emergency or anything, you pull this releases the net, it takes it out. So yeah, another window, and we also have a mini fire extinguisher. We also have more storage here and here underneath the sofa. This is also the air conditioner. It is the air conditioner, and you can use this to turn the area cold or warm. This is the heating area. So we have that, and to control that, we use this. And this is our camper. You have a switch for the awning. This is for the lights. And then this is to extend and retract the awning. We push it upward to extend it, push it downward to retract. This is how the awning looks like from the outside when it is being retracted. There's the lights, and that's the awning. You have to make sure the door is out of the way. The antenna for the TV. Coming over to this side, that's the storage. This is the main control. This is the propane. And there's a case for this. This is a case to protect the propane and gas. This is the battery to power the whole camper. These two are very important. Storage on this side as well. And this is our slide out. This is how it goes in. You have to make sure everyone is out of the way. This is the entrance to the bunk beds. This is another door that can lead to the bottom bunk and the storage. And we have a ladder that goes up. You need to make sure everything on top of the camper is safe and secure, as well as the inside and the outside of the camper. Back to this side. This is where we put our barbecue and everything else. And that is it for our camper video. This one is a short recap of the previous video. It will be on the top right corner and in the link in the description box below. If you haven't checked that video out and you want more details for this camper with every single bit in it, it will be in that video, so make sure you guys go check that video out. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I am Namira, Taneem from Canada. If you guys want more video, I will be posting weekly, mainly videos on Thursday, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Anyways guys, that was it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like I said, and make sure to share my videos with all your friends and families. If they want more videos related to my camper, winter, or any videos, comment down below. Anyways, that was all. I'll see you all next time. Bye!